Access all of MarkBook's attendance functions by clicking the Attendance button to the left of the student names. If this is the first time using attendance, MarkBook will provide some red warnings. At the upper right, click the Setup tab. In the center of Setup, click the General Options tab. At the left side, choose the starting month for your academic year in the Northern Hemisphere. By default, MarkBook assumes that the teaching week is 5 days Monday to Friday, but you can select or deselect other choices as you see fit. Click Apply at the bottom of the screen, and then click the Print tab towards the upper right. You have a choice of which month to print. Drop down the menu, select the month you'd like to print. You can print a regular form. You can merge entered attendance onto the form if you've entered attendance into MarkBook already. And you have a few other cells that you can merge onto the form as well. Once your selections have been made, click the Print November 13 tab. And MarkBook generates a one-page printout for the selected month that looks like this. I'm going to enlarge to see the details. Students are merged alphabetically down the left side of the form. In this case, the student number, home form, and gender are included. Note that Saturday and Sunday, the non-teaching days, have a tilde in each cell. Use the blank cells Monday to Friday for entering A for absent, L for late, T for tardy, D for doctor, V for vacation, or other choices as you see fit. If you elect to print merged data onto MarkBook's monthly attendance form, you'll get a printout that looks like this. Note the second student, Shelley Beach, has been absent and late several times during the month of September, and over at the right side, MarkBook counts the number of absences and the number of lates in two columns. If attendance data has been entered in multiple months, MarkBook will produce a multi-month summary that looks like this. Counts are given for each month, and over at the right side there's a total for the entire term. This is an individual attendance printout. Note that Shelley has been absent 21 times and late 12 times in the right column. Immediately underneath, there's a weekly breakdown. 0 Mondays, 1 Tuesday, 0 Wednesdays, 3 Thursdays, and 17 Fridays out of a total of 21. Similarly, Shelley has been late 9 times out of 12 on Mondays. This is a very interesting printout to send to administrators, counselors, and parents. If percentage attendance is used in MarkBook, this individual report can be generated at any time. Shelley has been away 15 out of 136 class days to date for 11% absence, and she's late 6% of the time.